So I'm talking to a friend of mine the other day, and he's like, man, the reason trucker strikes and protests don't get more attention and don't ever have the effect that we want them to have is because they don't ever get enough buy-in, because the issues that we're protesting don't affect all truck drivers in the same way. There's a lot of truck drivers that feel, yeah, they should be striking, but I don't need to participate in that. So my friend is like, what if we could find a way to all rally around taking a vacation at the exact same time? Because that's something that we're all gonna do. We're not all gonna strike, we're not all gonna protest, but we're all gonna take a vacation. And my friend is like, what we need to do is rally around a date that we're all gonna take 3 to 4 weeks off, and then see how the market responds to all truckers coming off the road at the same time. It's not something that's negative like a strike or a protest. Again, this is something that all truckers are gonna do anyway. What's your thoughts on that, family? Could something like that be executed? Do you think it could be effective to get truckers' gripes heard?